In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send messages to TikTok accounts, even to celebrity accounts on TikTok. Very simple, very easy. Let me launch the TikTok app and let me show you. So the first thing, we have to find someone that we want to send message to, right? Let's click on the upper right, click on the magnifying glass, and let's message Gary V. Everyone knows Gary V. I believe most of you like Gary V. So let's click on Gary V's profile, and you will see that there is a small message button on Gary V's profile. You want to click on this button, and this is where you can send message to him. I want to warn you that you can send up to 3 messages until he replies to you. If he doesn't reply after the third message, you will no longer be able to send him messages. So this is why you want to make sure that you calculate and you really think twice what exactly you want to send Gary V. If it's a business plan, proposition, collaboration, be very straightforward because you have only 3 shots. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.